Hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Hope all is well. My name is Ernest, co-founder of theprofitroom.com. Please share this. If you're on Facebook, on YouTube, share it. Let your friends come in here. We're going to talk about a great subject today. Why do people make it look so easy to trade and invest in the stock market? So this is a part of our series for stock market stimulus. We're going to talk about that as well. A new course that we have at the Profit Room, stockmarketstimulus.com. So share. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. All right. All right. So let's just get started. The subject is, why do people make trading and investing look so easy? Nowadays, when you jump on social media, people are making these amazing returns, right? Some of the major companies, Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Disney, Microsoft, right? It seems like you throw a dart at the market and you just make money. And that's how it's been for the past couple of years, because we've been in a bullish market. So the term bullish means a bull run, how a bull pushes, goes higher and higher. And there's a lot of reasons behind that. There has been something called quantitative easing. That means that the Federal Reserve is putting money in the stock market, and that's helping boost the stock market so it can generally help push the economy. So when we see people making money in the stock market, it's great, right? It's great. But a lot of people don't realize what's actually happening. And that's where we come in with education. Because there's always times in the market where we have dips that drop, right? So depending on where you may have bought, you could lose money if you bought at the wrong time. So ask yourself a question. There's sometimes people will say, hey, the stock market is dumping, right? The stocks are starting to drop. This is time to buy, right? Those same people, right? You hear that a lot, right? Those same people, when the stock market is going high and high, this is time to buy. So can't that be confusing? Well, the stock market is dropping, right? Drop. It's time to buy. Stocks is on sale. Now the stock market is at an all-time high. It's time to buy because the stock market is going higher, right? So when is the time to actually book profits, right? That's where the education side comes in. So you may be fortunate to buy stocks when they actually drop, depending on your strategy, if you're long term, because you anticipate the market to turn back around. But does that always happen? Currently, it has been, but you never know when that could change. A lot of people have done that back in the housing crisis in 2008, right? They were buying at the top, then the market started to drop. So you have to be very careful. So we have had some great times in the market, but the most important thing is you want to know why you are making money, right? So you can rinse and repeat, because just like the seasons change, summer, spring, winter, fall, we have to adjust to every market. Currently, right now, the market's conditions have been very choppy. There's been a big movement in sector rotation, right? And many of you guys may not understand that term. You can go look up that as well. There's been a lot of economic news, a lot of shift from our stocks into the crypto market, right? So you have to be aware of certain things that happens, especially when you're dealing with money. We act very emotional around money. So we want to be able to know what we're actually doing. Very important. And this is why we have this great course called Stock Market Stimulus. Stock Market Stimulus is a great course for you to learn the practical way how to trade and invest with stocks and options, both short term and also long term. What's great about this course has been tested through. If you go to our YouTube channel and you look up our student success from the group course, these are the same successful students that have taken this actual course. What makes it even better Even though you get access to the course, we're going to have a live training, which is May 2nd. That's right, a live training, which is May 2nd, to really give you that coaching effect from the course to answer a lot of your questions. And you also get access to our private Facebook community for stock market stimulus, where you can share wins and encourage each other through that part. So this is one a series of videos that will be on here. Be on here tomorrow too, around the same time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Talk about some subjects so to get you guys comfortable with trading and investing in the stock market. Our whole goal at the Profit Room is to give you the right education. We don't want to sell you smoke and mirrors or promise you all gold and a lavish lifestyle. We're going to promise you that you're going to get the right education, and many of our students, majority of them, get their money back from every course that they take from us because they're able to learn in a structured way how to pull money out on a consistent basis by keeping risk management as a priority. So hope you guys enjoyed this little tidbit. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure you go to stockmarketstimulus.com. Remember, guys, this is a limited time offer at a deep discounted price. You know that we give quality information, and we just want to be able to give something out to our community. So as always, like we say at the Profit Room, get educated.